Good morning. It is day 148, and we are going to conquer the last mountain in the Whites today with Mount Moriah. Yesterday was a tough climb for me, but we conquered it, and today we have 8.2 to get down to our extraction point, and then we're going to spend the night at a ski lodge. So hopefully I'll be able to videotape a little bit more today than I did yesterday, but it was, I couldn't, I tried, I couldn't. So, my legs feel a little bit better today. My knees were really aching last night. So now it's all about getting ready and heading out. We have a climb right out of the camp. I'll have to tell you about the campsite later on, but it was an experience. My first night in the Big Agnes, pretty good. I was on the slant, so I kind of rolled, but it was comfortable. I like having pockets. I didn't use them all the way, but it was easy to set up, easy to take down. So yeah, it was thumbs up. We have officially begun our trek for today. Just got off the Blue Blaze for the campsite, and we start climbing. So Mount Moriah, here we come. We're going to close out the Whites with you. Just did this little climb and mud hop. We are starting the day above the clouds. We're climbing. Coming after Mount Moriah. Here we go. We climb up. Not showing us any mercy today. And it goes on and on and on. We're doing a lot of this. That's where I just came from. My motivation is we have one mountain to climb, one mountain to conquer, and one summit to claim for today. This is what that climb just brought us to. I'm excited that I get to share a little bit more of this climb with you guys today. Yesterday was not possible. We're back off the ledge and into the forest again, and into the alpine. See how these roots we probably have about 0.8 to get to the summit. Looks like another great day. The views are better than yesterday. The smoke from Canada must be not quite as strong. You see how slow I'm going today. We went ahead and took care of Mount Moriah. There wasn't a view up there, but there were plenty of views on the way up. And now we're headed down the rest of the way. We are heading down off of Mount Moriah, and it is very slow going. And you really have to be careful that you don't slip. So I'm not going to film very much. I just wanted to show you that the rest of our mileage is probably going to look like this. Here we go, another water crossing. Just went over this, and now it's Rattle River, and we're getting ready to go over it again, and it probably hasn't even been like 1/10 of a mile, so they're just zigzagging us back and forth across it. So we'll see how far I can get before I have to put this bad boy up. Oops. My goal is to go without getting my feet wet. So, well, that was awkward. Can't do that. All right, I'm gonna turn this off because the rest of it's just rocks. Just hit 1897.4. So we are 300 miles left before we summit Katahdin. We got these awesome guys right here that are gonna take care of us tonight. So have you all done it? Across this trail magic. Trail magic. Game time. We just got out of the woods and we're getting ready to get into Dave's car. He had the cooler of Trail Magic, so we clocked into that, and now we're gonna head to the ski lodge. We are staying at a ski lodge here in New Hampshire with a friend of season 1's named Dave, and he has done the AT as a thru hike in 2016. He's done the West Highland Trail. He's done the Dingleberry in Ireland. He's done the Camino de Santiago, and he just did a triathlon. He downhill skis, he cross-country skis. He does it all. I can't wait to hear more stories. I'm going to attempt to show you guys my food for the next 3 days. I'm overpacked, but I did much better than last time. So I didn't have to buy any dinners because I have 4 of them. But these are my onion ring things that I really like. And so I'll mix those in with my dinners. And then I have tortillas. And then I've got to finish off my pepperoni and salamis. And then I have some turkey sticks and cheese sticks. And then these things right here. But all that's just for 3 days, so I don't know if I can eat all that. Then I have 2 bagels that I have to slice, and I did buy some. I really went, this is too much, but I'm hoping that Phoenix over there is gonna help me eat this stuff. And then this is all of my electrolytes and some True Lemon drink mix. But that's because my daughter sent me a bunch of that stuff, so overkill on that. And then I have Snickers and candy here. And then I have some protein bars and sport beans, Welch's, and hot chocolate. So that is what I have. And I'm supposed to eat all this in 3 days. We'll see. Maybe I'll give you a rundown on what's left over after 3 days. All right, it's time to check out. So I will see you tomorrow back on the trail. We're heading to Maine, so we'll do it one step at a time. Bye. Peace out.